Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to substitute players on Fantasy Premier League. So at first, you must open up your PL or your Premier League app, and you're going to log in into your Fantasy right here. And if you don't know how to log in or create an account, you can check out our video on that as well. So after you're on this page, you're going to click on Pick Team right here, and after that you're going to scroll down a little and you're going to see your substitute players. So you can click on any of the players that you want to substitute. So I'm choosing this defender. After you click on the person, you're going to see the button called substitute here, and after you click on that, all the red signs mean that you can change or substitute the player with them. So I'm going to click on the striker. Now you can see that my formation has changed as well. So this is how you substitute players, and after clicking on confirm, you can easily substitute any players. So this is how you substitute players, and if you guys learned something today or found this video interesting, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.